Click the first watch band adapter for Apple Watch. Personalize your Apple Watch without breaking the bank. Click lets you use any 22mm watch band with Apple Watch.
Hi Kickstarter, I'm Michael Lynch.
And I'm Brandon Hudson, and we're 716, the team behind Click. Click is the first patent-pending watch band adapter for Apple Watch. It opens up your watch to use any standard 22mm watch band. Here at 716, we believe your watch should be more than just a device. It should be a part of you, and with Click, you can let your personality run free without breaking the bank.
With our Kickstarter, we're looking to raise $30,000 to support the manufacturing and delivery of Click. Click will be available in two sizes, 38mm and 42mm, as well as 4 finishes to support the Apple Watch and Apple Watch Sport. There are numerous ways you can support us, which can all be found on our Kickstarter page.
We have numerous distributors around the world who are ready to carry Click. We need your help to make Click a reality for millions of people around the globe.
And you can help us out even more by liking us on Facebook and sharing us with your friends. Thank you so much.
With Click, the most personal device ever made, just got a little more personal.
Bracelite, interactive bracelet and watch band for Apple Watch. Bracelite, the first interactive watch band that follows your style. Are you ready for the tech fashion revolution?
Hello everybody and welcome back to The Present. My name is Susanna Del Colle and I am the CEO and co-founder of Texturization, the Italian company that is now launching Bracelite, the first interactive watch band that follows your style. We started our project in January, winning the Ex Machina competition powered by Porsche Italia. We worked hard during these months together with Porsche Consulting, and now we are ready to make you all part of our amazing project. Bracelite allows you to express your uniqueness and personality. Our textures will never be trivial, since our emerging Italian artists will draw them by hand just for you. In a very easy way, you will be able to express your style wherever you are, however you feel. Imagine, you will have the possibility to have the perfect fashion accessory, matching with what you're wearing in that moment, just taking a picture of the pattern of your jacket, or the bag, or the texture of your shoes. Fast, easy, amazing. And what about your feelings? If you wake up in the morning and you feel happy, Bracelite asks your mood of the day and suggests you the perfect texture. You can change your mind and your style in every moment of your daytime, just syncing Bracelite with your smartphone calendar. If you know that you will hang out with your friends at 7 p.m. for a happy hour, Bracelite will automatically change texture at the exact time. This particular display placed inside Bracelite is always on, but you don't have to recharge it as often as you think, and you can change your texture directly from your smartphone, available both for Android and iOS. Yeah, it's crazy and amazing at the same time, but we have great plans for you. In a few months you will get Bracelite at home, and we are planning to find some new investors to realize Bracelite with a full color display. Bracelite is now reality. Do you want to be part of the tech fashion revolution? Don't miss this opportunity. Bracelite, your style always on.
Mono wear a band for every occasion. Premium designer watch bands, seamlessly compatible with Apple Watch. The Hyge Band wearable technology to detect concussions. An innovative and effective concussion detection and reporting wearable technology available for youth in sports today.
Have you ever felt that you are a helpless spectator at your child's sporting events? Perhaps you've heard news about concussions in high-impact sports. Do you ever wonder how severe the overall impact is? My name is Eric Luster, and I am the founder of Movement Interactive. Our team has developed a solution called the Hyge Band, a secure and reliable technology that will allow for early detection and reporting of impacts suffered by our youth. The Hyge Band is a low-cost and durable personal health reporting sensor. The band is customizable by the wearer and has a sporty designer look and feel. Your kids will be able to make a fashion statement while making their safety a priority and keeping you, the parent, informed about their health. During the initial conception of the product, we focused most of our energy on developing a solution for the sport of football and hockey. However, parents have spoken and we have listened. Through the process of conducting live interviews with parents, we found that you have safety concerns across multiple sports such as soccer, basketball, skateboarding, and even cheerleading. Today, our youth athletes put themselves at risk, relying on eyewitness accounts and symptoms to diagnose a concussion. Our technology will take the guesswork out of these types of sport-related injuries. We hope to put this safety information in the palms of your hands. With the small impact sensor that fits inside of the Hyge Band, we are able to detect, analyze, and report head impacts, allowing you, the parent, to make decisions about your child's safety. The team at Movement Interactive has conducted over 2 years of testing and evaluation to ensure the reliability and functionality of the device. We have gone through several design concepts to deliver a solution that is acceptable for the players and the parents. To date, we have incorporated a 3-way reporting system that provides true real-time reporting, audible, visual, and remote reporting. Our goal is to provide parents and players with data on head impacts across all activities. Not only does the system provide real-time data, it also provides historical data across multiple sports and multiple seasons. All of this while keeping privacy in mind. Please support our campaign and help us take the project to the next steps, which includes additional manufacturing, marketing, and development of the website where you can customize your own Hyge Band. As an early contributor, you will be one of the first to receive a customized Hyge Band. With your support, we'll be able to help ensure the safety of our young athletes and help identify head-related injuries. Together, we will be able to make wise decisions and avoid being in the position of a helpless parent. Thank you.